Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Todd Coburn of Cal Poly Pomona, and I created this YouTube channel to assist aerospace students and structures professionals as they seek to master the practical techniques and methods required for productive and fulfilling career in aerospace structural analysis. The content herein is organized by playlist, and each one builds upon the content of the prior one to provide a systematic progression of ideas. If you're a student or if you're an aerospace professional with dusty structural analysis skills, you probably want to start with the Structures 1 playlist. This one goes through the basic fundamental concepts of stress, strain, shear, bending, deflection, and stability. Even though these sound like basic topics to a structures professional, we tend to develop holes in our knowledge, and you'll probably find a number of the techniques quite useful in your daily work. Once you've mastered the content of Structures 1, navigate to the Structures 2 playlist, which covers more advanced methods, including fatigue, damage tolerance, plastic bending, detailed fastener analysis, welds, and stability. Once you've mastered both of those topics and playlists, then you can navigate, if you have interest, to the finite element playlist. This one teaches how to analyze, do finite element analysis by hand. Now, it's true that that's not done that often anymore in industry. However, the skill of doing that by hand will give you insight into the way that the finite element codes work that will make you a better modeler, finite element modeler. Also, that playlist covers some basic concepts for how to idealize and analyze using Nastran and other finite element codes. This is a very useful tool and method and approach that can really help you in a world where a lot of the finite element models are much more detailed than they need to be, and making them overly complicated and quite difficult to understand. And often the errors are buried under layers and layers of pretty pictures, and this can help you to avoid some of that. If you're a experienced structures analyst out there in industry, then you may find it better to just walk through the topics or the titles of each of the videos and then watch just the ones that have the content that you think will help bolster you in the areas where you find weakness or suspect weakness. This content is always being upgraded. I'm always working to add content and to improve the content. Some of the material was recorded back when I had less skill with video, and as I've improved, I've been changing those videos out and expanding and adding content in places where I feel it's needed. I'm also going to be adding new content like statics and some drafting tools and things like that that you may find helpful, whether you're a student or an industry professional. In order to stay abreast of the changes, you're probably going to want to subscribe to the channel and check back periodically, watching for updates. You'll also probably benefit by visiting my website, which has a number of other tools and that you may find useful. Also, you're going to need a good structural text, and if you don't have one, you can purchase my text, the Aerospace Structures Handbook or Strength Handbook, Volumes 1 and 2, that are available from links there in the YouTube channels. I look forward to this journey with you, and I encourage you to leave comments on the videos themselves, your favorite videos, or to contact me by email if you have more detailed comments or questions or ideas for improvement. May the Lord bless you in this effort. Have a great time. I'm rooting for you. Enjoy.